This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and app readiness. Make sure your account meets Spotlight rules and that Snapchat is updated. Once done, set your camera to vertical 9, 16 and plan a short clip under 60 seconds so Spotlight accepts it. Record in a quiet, well-lit area and enable location and camera permissions if prompted. You do this so your upload won't be blocked for technical reasons. Now export or save the clip ready for Spark and upload. Now you move into the upload flow. Open the Spotlight tab and tap the upload icon to select your saved clip. Once selected, add a descriptive title and relevant tags so the algorithm can categorize your content. This matters for reach and discoverability. Choose the correct category, set visibility options, and add a trending sound if applicable. Make sure any SnapKit or third-party permissions are approved. If not, grant them before finalizing. Finish by reviewing your thumbnail, captions, and compliance with community guidelines to avoid rejection. Then tap Submit and watch the upload status. Once it's processing, monitor Spotlight Analytics to see how it performs. If your post is rejected, inspect the reason, edit offending elements, and resubmit. Otherwise, file an appeal through Snapchat Support and App. If uploads fail, clear app cache, restart your device, and try on a different network. These steps resolve most upload errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.